What's going on, guys? Welcome back, Digital Slang. We're back with another video. It's 2020. Hope everybody had a safe and fun night. But again, it's 2020. Let's jump into it. These are the TWS Pros. Another super copy of the real deal. We're going to check it out. Specs on these: Bluetooth 5.0, ReName, ReMap, GPS. But we have the tips finally on the bottom. They are an exact replica of the real deal, as well as the packaging and the text on the back of the charging case. So we'll jump in, we'll check it out. 49 bucks on AliExpress. I'll drop the link, but let's just jump right in. We'll take a look at the box. We got the embossed logo on the front, on the side, just some text over here. The logo on the side, AirPods Pro on this side, and the logo on the side again. On the back, we do have a picture of the case, of the pods and the buds themselves. AirPods Pro here with wireless charging. These do support wireless charging. Battery life on here is the one thing that I don't really like. It's only about 3 hours, 2.5 to 3 hours. You can extend it if you use one at a time, which you can do with these. But that's probably the one downside, is battery life is just whatever. 3 hours isn't the best, but it is what it is. These are clones, so we'll get into it. Let's open it up. So we'll open these up, take the box. Of course, here we do have all of the stuff inside of here. We do have the AirPods Pro, the manual, another manual, another manual, and another manual. We have a bunch of manuals here. These are all, this is safety and handling, regulatory compliance, and this is the 1-year limited warranty. We know that's not legit, but inside here we do get the real user's manual. Here are the pods. We'll take a look. You can see the text on the back of the charging case already. So really cool. We open this up. We do get the charging cord, the lightning connector, and we also have silicone tips to get that good seal, to get that good fit, so you can get the best sound quality. We'll put this stuff to the side for now, and we'll take a look. Let's take this plastic off. So if we take a look, we do have our LED light here on the front, and we have the text inside of the lid. So already a good start, and we do have that reverse magnetic lid, just like the real deal. That works very well, actually. On the bottom, the port to charge, and on the back, we do have the text, as well as the hinge and the button to connect. So let's take a look at the pods, and already you can see that the bottom tip is just like the real thing. So very cool. We are getting closer and closer. Let's check out to see if the stem on here. So we still have the stem. We're not quite there yet, but let's just start the testing. We'll connect them and we will go through everything. So on the left here, I have the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and we are running the latest beta 13.3.1, and it's buggy as hell. So I would suggest don't upgrading to this if you're in the beta program, or just download to a previous version of iOS, because it is buggy as hell. I'm having camera issues, all kinds of issues, and I'm having pop-up window animation issues with this pair here. And I can connect to it through Bluetooth, but I'm not getting the window animation. Now on the right, the 8 Plus, I'm running iOS 13.2, and I'll show you that. If we open it up, we do get to connect, and we'll connect that really quick. Hold down the button, it's connecting. And of course, we get our usual animation, the real animation. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to disconnect from the 8 Plus, because all my music and everything is on my iPhone 11 Pro Max. So I'm gonna go back to this phone. We're gonna set it up through Bluetooth settings, just so you can see that it does connect. So let's turn Bluetooth off on the 8 Plus, put this to the side, and we will try and connect it to 13.3.1. And again, I'm not getting any pop-up animations, but I can connect it through Bluetooth. So we'll go into Bluetooth, we'll open this up. AirPods Pro come up, hold the button on the back, and we are connected. And this software, 13.3.1, it's terrible. Hopefully they release a fix soon, but you can connect, you're just not getting the original pop-up animation yet. But I firmly believe that is a software thing, because it is buggy as hell and it sucks, and I'm looking forward to an update. But saying that, let's keep going with the testing. All right, so once we're in the menu, you can see that the menu is the real interface, just like the real deal. We can change the name, you can go in and you can name it whatever you want. And you do have your buttons here to toggle through for transparency, noise cancellation. And of course, they're not real, they don't work. The button works, but it's not going to do anything. And press and hold your AirPods. I have it set right now for Siri, because Noise control, we don't need that on because it's not true noise control. So we'll leave that on the voice assistant. Now your ear tip fit test, if you hit this button, it's going to take you through the process. And if you hit play, it's going to play some music. It's cool that it does that, but it's just going to keep playing music. You have to back out. And of course your mic, you can change your mic to use your left or your right. Just leave it on the default setting and you will be fine. So renaming, remapping, they're all there just like the real thing. And if we go out of here, we'll go to Find My, and you can see that GPS is working. It's updating location right now. There's my location. So rename, remap, GPS, all the good stuff. And remember, the bottom of the stem is just like the real thing. We got the text on the back of the charging case and the real packaging, which is still, it blows me away every time I see it because I just don't know how they get it over customs. But let's just start some music and we'll start the testing. Sound quality on these things is good, and it's what I expected. It does have the upgraded chip, and it sounds very good. It's very close to the original. Probably not as good, as clear and as clean as the original, but they do sound good. For a $48, $49 pair of buds, they sound really good. And that's what I'm comparing it to. I'm comparing the sound to the price, and what you get for the price is definitely worth it. So there is some bass. It's very loud, very loud. So let's just keep going with the testing. Next, we are going to do a mic test, and we'll see how the mic sounds. What's going on, guys? Mic test. The TWS Pro is another super copy, another version of the AirPod Pros. Hopefully, they're getting the mic better too. Hopefully, this sounds pretty good. Next test, we will try the video latency, see if there's any delay between audio and video. We'll hit play. No delay between the audio and video, and I'm actually a little surprised by that. I did think there would be a slight delay. Maybe I would have to hit fast forward to catch up, but no delay. These do run Bluetooth 5.0, so really good so far. There are some good things about this, and at this price point, they're not bad. Sound quality is very good for the price, and rename, remap, GPS, the real text on the back, the real chrome around the bottom. The packaging is a one-to-one. That's crazy to me. But let's just keep going. Let me know how the mic sounds. Battery life on here is only going to be about 2.5 to 3 hours, so that's probably the one downside, right? Not great battery life on here. 2.5 to 3 hours. Now you can extend that if you use one at a time, or if you just lower the volume a little bit and listen to it at a lower volume, you can extend the battery life somewhat. These do support wireless charging. So touch control is the way they should work on here. Is 1 tap should play and pause. 2 taps will go to the next track on either bud. 3 will go to the previous track. And if you touch and hold, that should activate the voice assistant. Now I haven't been able to get the play and pause to work, and in-ear detection I can't get to work either. I'll show you that really quick. Music is playing. But take it out. Still playing. Left side. Still playing. So I don't think in-ear detection really works on here. Now we're going to try 1 tap for play and pause. It does register that I am tapping it once, but it doesn't do anything. Music is still playing. Hit it again. Yeah, so I can't get 1 tap, play and pause to work, and in-ear detection does not work as well. Now, 2 taps is going to the next track on either bud. Those do work. 3 taps, previous track and Siri. I'll show you that. We'll do 2 taps. It should go to the next track. So that works. We'll do it again. Works. Now we'll go back. We'll do 3. Goes back. We'll do it one more time. Goes back. Now we're going to activate Siri. If we touch and hold either one and hold it for a few seconds, it should activate the voice assistant. What's up, Siri? So touch controls are a little buggy, I think. The play and pause I can't get to work, and the in-ear detection is not true in-ear detection, but you can go to the next track, go back to the previous track, and activate your voice assistant. So a little buggy on the touch controls. That's probably the one downside so far. So the TWS Pros, guys, are they worth The price tag, 49 bucks. I think they are. I wouldn't pay 60, 70 bucks for these, but I would pay 40, 49, 50 for these max, right? I wouldn't pay much more than that. And it's a shame because they're very close to being the best pair that I've tested. And the downside for these, battery life for me is a downside, 2.5 to 3 hours. Of course, you can extend that by lowering the volume or using one at a time. But the real thing that bothers me is the touch controls don't work like I would like them to work. You know, the main things that I use in touch controls is play and pause, or I take them out of my ear for in-ear detection to listen to somebody that's trying to talk to me, and neither of those work on here. Now, the rest of the touch controls do work like they should, but because of those defects or whatever it is not being included in this pair, I can't rate these as high as I would like to rate them. But are they worth 49 bucks? Yeah, there's some very good things. Sound quality is very good, no delay between audio and video. And again, the things that we've talked about already, Bluetooth 5.0, wireless charging, real battery percentages, ReName, ReMap, GPS, the text on the back, the real packaging, lots of good things. So are they worth the 49 bucks? I think they are. So just be aware of what you're getting if you guys want to pick these up. I'll drop the link below. TWS Pros, better and better clones are coming, and we're just going to keep getting more. But that's it for the video, guys. 2020 is here, and I am looking forward to this year and putting the past behind me. But let's just keep going. Let's start this year off right. I hope everybody had a safe new year. And that's it. We'll be back with a lot more videos soon. Hit that like button, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Ring that bell if you haven't rung that bell for the latest updates whenever we drop a video here at Digital Slang. And again, I appreciate all the love and support that you guys show me. And I'll be back soon. Peace.